So that's why
as a Moro, more than as a lawyer, more than as a professor, more than as a former congressman, to me, this nation of Filipinos must decide, do you want Moro-Filipino relationship to be Hobbesian, meaning war, based on hostility? Because for 333 years, we fought a superpower. Spain was the superpower of the time, when we never submitted. Sovereignty question was never resolved until the Americans came. Then the Americans came, and in this republic, another almost 100 years, and the same question is raised. Sure, the solution to this problem is political, not military. Otherwise, mag-ubusan tayo ng lahi. Mag-ubusan tayo ng lahi because hindi kami dayuhan sa aming sariling lupa. Kayo, mga Pilipino,